So now what I want to do is I want to talk about conceptualizing negative numbers. Okay? So it's really important to understand negative numbers and how they work. And if you've gotten it so far, this video may not be necessary for you to watch, but I think it's an important video because it really helps kind of solidify why some of these rules work, and it's just an alternative to the line graph, the number line. So let's go over just a few core concepts. Let's say I've got just a particle floating around. Okay, and particle's got a positive charge. I had my good pen. It's got a positive charge, okay? And it gets together with a particle that's got a negative charge. The two basically cancel out. So the net charge of these two would be 0, right? So let's say we've got a body, okay? And we've got some charges in here. Okay, so I'm going to look at this body and I'm going to figure out what is the net charge of this thing. So these two cancel, 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 and I'm left with 1, 2, 3. So I've got a positive 3. Okay, now I want to add 2 more positive charges. So you go boom, boom. So now what's the net charge of this thing? So again, I count. Cancel, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is a 5. Okay, so now I've got a charge of 5. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take away 3 positive charges. 1, 2, 3. Now what's my net charge? Cancel, 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 cancel. Well, I've got that one and I've got that one. Right? That one and that one. So really, I've got 2, positive 2. Okay? So now I've got positive 2 in there. Now let's take away, well, let's add 3 negative charges and see what happens. So I'm going to add negative 3. So that means I'm going to put a negative charge here to cancel out, negative charge there. That one cancels out, and then a third negative charge, which is floating around. So now what's the net result of that? It's a negative 1. Right, so really 2 plus negative 3 is a negative 1. Okay. So now I've got a charge of negative 1 here. Okay. Now let's subtract 4 negatives and see what happens. Saying subtract 4. So we're going to subtract 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, now it's my net charge. Well, let's see. Cancel, 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 cancel. That one cancels that one. So 1, 2, 3. Right? Just like before, we said those two cancel, so negative 1 plus 4 would be 3. Okay? So there's an alternative way of looking at negatives.